Employee singular roles. The singular roles are roles for the employees. It's the job of the employee in the company. We can create them from structure, dictionaries, singular roles. And we can see that an employee can belong to several groups. Those assigned to a singular role may be a person, employee, a role, or an employee group. Remember, in this case, you can have types, parallel and exclusive. In this example, we have a role named trainers, one named evaluation committee, and another one called IT analysts. The same employee can belong to different roles. For example, Nick Lee, that belongs to trainers and evaluation committee. We have to take into account that we cannot assign a process task directly to an employee group. Tasks must be assigned to singular roles when we want to assign them to a group. We assign them singular roles that might contain employee groups. Let's go to the application to create some singular roles. So let's go to Structure, Roles, Employee Singular Roles, okay, and let's create a few of them so you can see how to do it. So we click on Create Role, we just add a name, Legal Advisor, Continue, and then we can add a description, and also, as we can see here, assignee, we can do it a job title. So it would be to, for example, if we have the job title of, I don't know, legal advisor, for example, and if we have a job title that is a director, and this changes, then the task will go to the person that holds that role. If we want to send it to, like, directly to a specific person, then we will need to choose the option person. And if we need to send it to several people, then it will be grouped. So here, legal advisor, I'm going to choose person, as I want to choose a specific person, okay? And here I will find the person. As you can see, even if Anna Hill has two roles, here we can only see one Anna Hill, and this is because what it matters here is not the role, but the person. So Anna Hill, and save and exit. And then we have here the new employee singular role. Let's create another one. And I'm going to call it Executive Committee. So continue. And this time it's going to be a group. So I'm going to assign it to the group I created previously. Managers. Okay. Save and exit. And let's create a last one. And this time it's going to call Advisory Committee. Continue. It's going to be a group as well. It's going to be the other one we created before, Consultancy. And save and exit. If, for example, we go to this one, okay, that we have a group, we go here, and then we click on here, we can see the people that belongs to that group, okay? So we can see that is an exclusive one, delegation ordinal, and then we have the three people that belong to that group. Okay, so the task is going to be sent to Anna Hilia, and she will be able to perform the task or just delegate it on David, and the same goes here. He can perform the task or send it to us and ours. She cannot send it to anyone, so she will definitely have to perform it. She cannot delegate it. So let's go to my tasks now. And let's go to start process. Choose participants. But before starting a process, let's go to general settings to see who is the appointed performer of the employee's task. As we can see here, it says appointed performer panel. We're going to change it to role, singular, and executive committee. Okay. Save and exit. Save and exit. Save and exit. And let's start the process. If I go to my tasks, I can see that the task has been sent to me, to AP1, okay? And if I go here, I have the option Delegate. So I'm gonna click on Delegate. And I'm gonna go log in as AP2 now. As it is a delegable correlative, it has disappeared from AP1, okay, workflow, and now has been sent to AP2. So as we can see here, AP2 still have the option to delegate. So we are gonna delegate it, in which case it should be sent to AP3. My tasks, and we can see it here. We open the task, okay, and we go here, we can see that we don't have the option delegate anymore. And this is because it's a correlative type of task, okay, and it has gone from AP1 to AP2, AP2 to AP3, and there's no more participants in the task. So AP3 has to perform the task. She cannot delegate it anymore. And that's why we don't have the option available here. And this is how the singular roles work. Now it's your turn to try to do part 2.